Hey, all right. I just the existing students are all aware of all the house rules, so I should skip all this. Okay, the second one is lesson 37. Okay, and we are going to do volume, common height. Common height means the same height, painted surface area for this. Okay. I know WA is near, many of them are preparing, or I should say, as this so-called next week, you're having your next month having your oral on the 2 days, 14, 15, the mid, the National Day. Make use of the National Day week, holiday week to revise, so get ready. Okay. When I look at the homework, there are many people who didn't do. Krishna, I didn't see your homework. Can you tell me why? Those who didn't do lah, I shouldn't say only one. No, I don't like to call names, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Those who have not, I want you to key in. Key in the it now, because I'm checking. Okay, so every week, if you need me to wait, we will be wasting a lot of time. And I don't want that to happen. Okay, so A, B, C, D are two rectangular containers. The base area is 450, and then the other base area dimension shown below. Container A contains so much water, B is empty. Okay, let's take a look at base area 450. So this is 450 for here. Okay. Okay, so base area. And for base area, you have it here. Okay. How much water is it here inside? It is to 20,250 cm3. Well, this is empty. What was the height of water in level A? That means in container A here. Okay, this is what he's asking you. So in order to find this height, remember we say we have this Lego thing. Remember this, volume equals to LBH. Volume can be also area multiplied by height. Okay, so since we have this volume so-called, right? So we have volume, LBH, sorry, height. Over base area. And we have 20,250 cm3 over the base area of 450. Okay, I want everyone to participate. No doubt you all have already done, also need to participate. 20,250 divided by 450. I should get a 45. If I'm not correct. So this is 45 cm. Okay. Let's take a look at part B, what they want. He pours some water into container B without spilling. And now the height is the same. So that means they must have the same volume. The keyword is same. So he wants to ask how much water is being poured inside. So whatever you have it here is going to pour it inside without spilling, and they become the same height. Okay, probably here, same height, probably here, same height. And this is the volume that is poured into container V. Okay, that's what I meant. Okay, so do you remember last week? I'm not sure whether it's last week or so. I did something like this. I'm going to put this one side by side. And this is side by side. Only to the front view, right? And this much of water is being poured. Okay, and they will come to this portion of water, maybe until here. That means they have the same height. They have the same height, so-called. And this is filled with water. And this portion of water, if I were to carve, if I were to do this much of the water actually come from this portion here. Okay, this is going to pour it into this. That's what they meant. Okay, now, so the question asks how much is being poured. Okay, so this is the question. How much is being poured? But then the thing is that whatever remain here, it will be the same, right? The total remain unchanged. Okay, that's one thing. So in order to do this, since I know that there's a volume, do you realize that I have a same base? The total base is how much? If I were to use it as a total base, I want to look at this. Can I say that this is the base? And this base area is actually made up of this base area and this base area. Okay, if I were to color these two base area. Okay. So the total base area I have shaded here with this one is actually this one, so-called base area. All right. So then, okay, wait a while. Oh, yeah. Okay. Everyone turn on camera, change your name. Okay. So in order to find this height, okay, so I'm doing part B now. At this corner, no more space. My volume must be equal, my height must be equals to the volume which I have and divide by the total base area of A and B, right? So what I need to do is to find this total base area. I sidetrack a little here. The base A plus B, I have 450. My B will be 60 times 30. And if I were to place them together, I will have 60 times 30 plus a 450, which is 2250 on the base area, which is 20,000, 2,500. If I were to divide by 2250, I will get the common height. Okay? And that will give me 9 cm for here to here. So far, so good? Can, but that is not the answer. What they want is, he wants you to know how much of the water is being poured into B here. How much water is being poured from here into here. So that is the yellow one that they are looking for. So in order to look for the yellow one, I look for the one that is inside the B, contain the tank B here. Easier because I have the height as what? This height is also 9 cm. Okay, I put here 9 cm. So since this is 9 cm and my base area is 60 by 30, right? So I can find this volume already. So, okay, I'm coming here. So the volume being poured will be 60 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 9. And that gives you 16,200. cm cube. Okay, so I need to write here 1620. So for working, see previous slide, yeah. Slide 3, PowerPoint slide, previous. Okay. Am I going too fast? So sorry, I didn't have time to read this. Yeah. Ayo, Mommy, you kiasu ah? You think you think 放学了啊? Go home time is it? Eat out everything ah. I know you got 7/7. I know you get all correct. And it's first attempt, it's not second attempt, which is I'm proud of you. Okay? Yeah lah, I know lah, later lah. Aiyo, I haven't start of the day you have to remind me already. I will. Give me time. Okay? 3条线. 3 lines, 3 lines. Okay, if my speed is too fast, let me know, okay? I will try to slow down. But if to slow down, then we cannot have a lot of extra time for the extra question. Huh? Anyway, the PowerPoint slides are all in one, don't worry, huh? I try. Okay? All right, this is the answers to it. Okay. Have lah, have Kahoot. I'll try to. Okay, I try to lah. Try. Let's try, okay? But you all must work with me, can? Participate well lah. Participate well means everybody must give me answer, then we go faster. Pay attention. On camera, so I don't need to keep talking, keep saying. Can or not? Please, tolong. Okay? All right, so yeah, I do this because of space. I know the words are a little bit small, but this is the best I can do. Okay, this question say there are 2 containers. The base area of A is 31 cm square. So base 31 cm here. Can I put as in shortcut BA? BA in this lesson with volume, anything with it is base area, I call it BA. Okay, BA is 31 cm square. BAB, that means the second part, BA also, but the second one, this is BA1, this is BA2, equals to 40 cm square. Now, some container A and B contain some water, and the height of the water level is 52 centimeter as shown. So, meaning to say, container A got 52, the height, referring to the height of the water level, here to here. We call this the height. Then Ian poured some water from A to B. So he poured, filled it up. After that, the height became the same. Oh, so that means the same law. I'm going to do this. Then the height will be the same. So this one must come down in order for the other one to go up, right? So this is being poured. Pour into where? There, until this height. Here. Okay? So far can understand, Then he poured from A to B. And then became what? 30. So from here to here is now 30 cm high. Okay? And here to here is also 30 cm high. That means I know he poured how much? How much did he pour? The height that is being away. 32 minus 52 minus 30. That is 22 cm of the height being poured away. So that means I can fill up this already, right? Correct or not? You understand or not? Wait, let me see the chat function. Yes, correct. Okay, you understand the 22. Very good. So this one don't have part 1, part 2, right? Yeah, this one don't have part 1, part 2. So now my question to you is how to find the height. Did they have part 1? Don't have. Okay, who is at the door?